I awang riaman mai gumara samjai ge derein sage hai manaje klom dele namai hegigo breaking news India notice Arunachal Pradesh ke China mene bomb claiming 15 location ge state rename te je pnui kona rogai be zigena India map sui temra map pnui sui imaktele zai aiza India medu challenge te je herei perabe mpui dele je sale zai aiza haziro leze rename te be China mene pnui sui ne ro leze sale zai namai ru ne male 2017 ge do state sro ke China mene pnui sui ne pnui kona state rename te je pnui hanga ke de changra ba hangene za India me against the challenge te herei pungchu ra ba hangene pnui na gum ja state ro chu kai be dele zai chige ke di mene pnui na compromise te ko dai le zai namai ge do China me hange ke di me India ga suite me message te je sunat news leak te je lamu dele zai ai ga Arunachal Pradesh gu Pasigat MLA Ninong Ering ne samsaba ka chai nking ra Northeast Life ke
I'm really grateful to all of you, especially the Northeast Live, which is the mouthpiece of the Northeast, and especially for Arunachal on the Chinese issue. Recently, we have just got to know that China has already started renaming our towns, our areas, our rivers in their own name. It's very unfortunate that, of course, I've heard through you, that the Indian government is already responding to it. But to be very frank, I can't understand how is that China is always claiming that Arunachal is part of South Tibet. And they have even started making these projects. They have tried to get roads into Arunachal Pradesh. They have started to construct dams on the Siang River, which is the Brahmaputra. It is very unfortunate that China is still claiming Arunachal Pradesh as the South Tibet. As you know, our Honorable MP, Mr. Tapirgao, Mr. Nabom Rivia, and our Honorable Union Minister, Mr. Kiran Rijiju, is always responding and, doing very good to the people of Arunachal Pradesh, representing us in the center. And I was also a Union Minister, I was also a Member of Parliament, and I've always raised this issue. Why is China always claiming that this is South Tibet? We have Union Ministers since 1962 when my late father was there. So how come in the Chinese aggression, my father was an MP during that time? From that time, all this about 50 years, 60 years have gone. Now what are they doing? Why are they always claiming that Arunachal is South Tibet? We vehemently oppose it, we condemned it, and we want that the government of India should respond to it.
Right, Mr. Ering, so how much do you think can such activities by China impact the relations with India?
I think China has got its own internal problem. Their economy is weak. They were supposed to be one of the strongest economies, but they tried the Wuhan, issue where they brought this the novel coronavirus into the world, and they spoiled the whole of the economy of the world. But now they have their own internal problems. So due to the internal problems, they are trying to involve Arunachal Pradesh or Ladakh by antagonizing India. But I'm sure that the Indian government is very much diplomatic. We are diplomatic. We want to have good relations with China. But just claiming that Arunachal Pradesh is part of South Tibet is really condemned by us. Our people are very, they are Deshbhaktis. We have the nationalistic feeling. Our people we talk Hindi, we don't speak Chinese. We may have our own lingua franca across the border, but we are Indians and we are proud to be Indians.
Arunachal Pradesh India lebe chilu bli gnedu pnizem puiki ramazai. Ngeuge kahara mete zazai ngeu dang namraka japani constructed churaka kaleja again Ninong Ering MLA Pasigat ne sagedle misidle na mai gumra samga agene loi gaidle hai manaze klom